Okay, finally got in the mood to fix my Range Rover air suspension module. Right now what it's doing, when you start it up, it goes to the correct height, but it is not when you hit this button, it should raise and or lower the air suspension. But as you can see, nothing's happening. It get to the right height when you start it up. It levels out, but as you can see, nothing. But I don't have any lights on for it, so we're gonna diagnose, right? Okay, so the code is popping up. It's asking for the control module for the air suspension, which is on the passenger side of the 2005 to 2000. Well, mine's a 2006, but 2005 up to 2009, I'm pretty sure. Probably on the same size. Matter of fact, they all might be on the same side, except the Sport. I know the Sport is on the driver's side. But we have to take this panel off. We have to take this out. We have to take this out, take this off, and take this off. And underneath as well. I wanted to do this anyway because I put, as you can see, I put LEDs through everything. So I wanted to change this out anyway. Plus, I want to make this a little bit better. As you can see, it don't want to come out. It comes out when it wants to. So, I already have the control module right here from my other Range Rover, which works perfectly. I also have a holder as well. Oh, my hands was ashy. Glad that was fast. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so you have to take the bottom pieces off right here. Unscrew the piece right here that holds this on. Get your pry tool. And you're gonna pry this open, bang. Once you pry this off, put it to the side. You're gonna take this screw out, this screw, they're all T20s. Inside here, you're gonna open this. It's gonna be a tab up there. Let me show you. This tab is gonna be holding it. It's hiding the T20 screw in there as well. Once you do that, this piece pulls out. Before you pull it out, there's the screw on the bottom right here. And honestly, as you can see, you can actually get to the control module right now. But I don't want to. Like I said, I want to go ahead and put my LED in here. So I'm going to take this piece off as well. All I have left to do is pull this out, pull this vent out, and there's a T20 screw on the side. Once I unscrew that, this piece pops right off. So guess what I discovered? I don't have to take this piece off to change the light bulb. I just reached up under here where it plugs in it, and I was able to do it. I am happy. Okay, now this. Okay. What I'm gonna do about this, I might just still have to take it off anyway to change that out. I have the other one over there. I'm debating. I think I will. Okay, I'll let you know what I come up with. Okay, I'm learning a lot as I go. Okay, so what I discovered was there's a bolt that this slides into right there. I just pulled that bolt out and this pretty much slides right out. So I didn't have to take this whole piece off. Now let's see how easy it is for me to get to my control module without removing that piece. Stay tuned. Okay, for the sake of rework, and everything, what I decided to do was just plug the other box up, and let's see what happens. Up, as you can see, she's raising up. She just raised up. Let's see where she go down. Up, and she went down. And she raised up and down. So that fixed the issue. I'm gonna have to recalibrate it, because looking at it from here, you probably can't tell, but it looked like it's down a little bit on the right side over there. But like I was saying, the vehicle is lifting slowly, so I know for a fact that we are good. When I was messing with this, I noticed that I took the pump from my other truck, so there's a good possibility that I might end up having to go back to my other pump, the original one that was in here. Extended mode. Okay, I shouldn't be in extended mode. I'll see. I gotta find out. Alright, anyway, that seemed to have fixed it though. The air control module did in fact fix it. As you can see, everything is lifting. As you can see, this is the box that I'm about to install. This is the one I'm taking out. Like I said, the only reason why I did it like this is because I wanted to make sure it was working before I installed it. I knew it was working because it came off my other Range Rover, which was pretty much perfect. But I just wanted to make sure there was no problem. I don't like rework. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and go from there. Man, look at this LED. Look at the old one. Look at the difference. You see that? Crazy. I have to do the top as well. Let me see. See that? Crazy. I'm taking that top out. I'm gonna put the starlight ceiling in here. I'm gonna, excuse my garage, it's messy. But this is also from my other Range Rover. I'm gonna clean it up, reupholster it, or whatever you wanna call it. And then I'm gonna take you over here to my light kit. It's a 500-piece light kit, fiber optic kit. And I'm going to use that to do my starlight ceilings. These are the LEDs I'm using right here, okay? No, I'm not sponsored by nobody. Sucks. But anyway, let me go ahead and start putting this back together, and I will be right back. Okay, everything's back together again, but check this out. So, I fixed it. The reason why I didn't go with the other one is because the other one is missing this right here. It's missing the little part to hold the drink, right? So I couldn't go with that. So I decided to go ahead and clean this and fix it. All I did was I took some sandpaper and I sand around the edge right here. Once I finished sanding around the edge, I just worked it in and out a couple times to get it loosened back up. And voila, she's working 100%. Everything's back together again. I'm in extended mode right now. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take a walk around the truck and give you a show so that you see what is going on with it, all right?